Hello, everyone. How's everybody doing? I am so behind filming videos right now, so this is going to be a quick one. But before I do anything, I want to preface by saying I've kind of been evaluating my financial goals for next year and what I want to do. So I have my car payment that I really want to pay down in this next year. And so I think that's going to be my focus. So you may notice if you've watched some of my other videos that I'm really cutting down on stuffing a lot of different envelopes so that I can really focus on getting that debt paid down. So with my car, I have 15,000 left to pay on it, and I would like to pay at least half of that. So in the next 12 months. So that means I need to save, let me see. I did this math already, but I can't remember what it was. That amount divided by 12, that is $625 a month. I don't know if I will be able to save that much. So we're going to see. But basically I'm going to be stuffing $125 per week as long as I can in my debt binder. And so that is equal to like $500 a month. And then any leftover that I have, I'll be allocating towards debt. I'm going to be playing some games and some challenges to make it fun and engaging for me, for myself, and also for people who are watching, because I love finding like new games, and I'm still working on collecting some, but I'll be doing that and making it fun, a fun way to save, and then see how much I save at the end of each month and how much I have put towards that debt for each month, and give you guys a little update. So this is where we are starting, and by the end of the year, hopefully we will be right here or even lower than that, depending on how much we can save. So with that being said, I have not felt good, guys. So if I sound a little weird, that's why I've been really struggling with being sick this past week. I have nothing left in my wallet from this past week, so we're just gonna stuff this. But yeah, there's nothing. We spent everything this week. It's just been one of those weeks. So groceries is getting $80. But how has y'all's week been? I know everyone hopefully is as ready as they can be for Christmas. Dining out is getting $40. Gas is getting $25. Ari and I did our Christmas today, Monday, when I'm filming this. And Ari is getting 2 5s. And she was so excited to open her presents, and she liked most of them. She said she didn't really like the monster trucks that I gave her, but she thanked me for them anyways. She's so sweet. Okay, so that's my wallet. And then this is my high priority binder, and I have shifted this around a little bit. So I still need to save for my cell phone plan. So that's getting $10. So it has 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I'm actually going to trade this out for a 50 that I have over here. This was an extra 50 that I had that I had saved. So I'm going to put that towards something. Credit card we're skipping. Debt is getting, I'm going to be stuffing this with $125. So a lot going into here. And then at the end of the month, I will take this back to the bank and pay whatever, plus all the saving money that I have, and that will all go towards a car payment. Hair, I'm going to be putting less in this envelope. I had been putting like 30, but I think I'm only going to start putting, actually, am I putting anything in here? Wait a second. Okay, I just did something stupid. I actually need that other 50. I don't know what I was thinking. So, okay. This is what's happening. We're putting 10 in hair. I'm saving less for hair because I'm really not sure how expensive it'll be. 2, 4, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we have 100. I don't think it'll be as expensive as like a full, cut and color because I'm just getting a touch up. So we're going to stuff less in there. And then transportation is getting 50. And I guess I'll just use the 10s. So this currently has 50, 70, 80, 90, 1, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 185. And it needs a lot more than that, but we are making progress. This isn't due till April, so we have a decent amount saved, and we are on track, I think, to have it done in April. So that's great. Okay. Now, I have a few more things to scratch off on here. So, okay, I forgot to empty my coin thing, but I'm going to do this with Aria, I think. We're going to do our little cow savings challenge book. Okay, so let's see what we have here. $12. Okay. So I did manage to save a few dollars from my car trip to my brother's house. So with that money, I'm going to put that in my Valentine's Day. New Year's Eve envelope here. So let's see how much we have in here now. Oh my goodness, what a mess. Let's see. Okay. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87. 87. Okay, not bad. And this might be all that we end up saving for this. And that is totally fine. Better than nothing, right? Am I right, kids? Okay, so New Year's Eve has a little bit more in there. Okay. And then as far as my other binders, like my savings, my sinking funds, my low priority, on all of those categories, I'm just going to be playing the mini-me's Monday. I do mini-me for Aria, so that all goes towards her Tiny Tuesday. I think I'm going to make that for sinking funds, playing games to save extra for debt, and then it'll just kind of be as like an as needed basis what gets the money for the week. So that's how I'm going to be doing things from now on, guys. Please leave a comment with any encouraging words, any advice, because it just feels so daunting to pay off that much money in a year when you have a really tight budget as it is. At least I feel like I do. I know I don't have it as bad as some people, and I'm thankful for that. But to me, it just feels really daunting and can be very discouraging. So I appreciate any encouragement. Any supportive, encouraging words is greatly appreciated. And thank you all so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. If you have not yet, subscribe to my channel, like this video so we can get it to other people who may be interested as well, and leave me a comment. I would love to interact with you guys, and I hope you all have a great day.